Hey, it's Matt. I'm here at the San Diego beach in California with my family, and I had a call with my client I wanted to share with you. Really, really important on the order in which you fix your process. Let's talk about it. Hey, it's Matt. I help software companies scale and accelerate, and I want to help you too. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that little button, hit the bell so you get notifications. That way you're not going to miss anything that I get you, any of the tips, any of the formulas, all of the methods to be able to scale your software company. As I mentioned, I'm here at the San Diego beach, but I had a call with my client yesterday I wanted to share with you, and it's something that's really important. Now, before we do that, make sure you hit the like button. That's going to show me that this is important information for you, stuff that you like. That way I can get more content like this for you. Now, this was a really important thing, and a lot of times people think, hey, in order to be able to scale, in order to get started, we've got to really accelerate our pipeline. We got to get all kinds of marketing going. We got to make sure that we're able to get a bunch of leads. We got to fill the pipeline. And all that is great, but here's the problem. If you don't know how to sell just yet, if you don't know how to close, then it doesn't matter how good your marketing is. Because if you spend all kinds of time and money and effort trying to get some leads in the door, but then you don't know how to close those leads, you're going to have wasted all of that time and money, all of that effort you put into it. It's going to be a horrible, horrible experience because you put all these leads in, you try to close them, you can't close them. Yuck. Much better to first fix your closing process. Make sure you know how to close deals. Get that part nailed absolutely first. And then once you know how to close deals, once you're absolutely killing it with your close rate, a close rate of at least 30, 33%, maybe even 40 or 50% off of your demos, now you know you can start really putting some money and some time into your marketing pipeline because the stuff you're going to put in, you have a very high likelihood of closing. So remember, first, fix your close rate. Make sure you know how to close deals. Make sure you have a sales process that delivers results. Then second, start marketing like crazy. Start filling that pipeline and you'll be confident the stuff you get in there is good to go. Now, I hope this helps you. I'm going to go back, kick it with the family. I will see you next time. Take care.